this video, I am going to talk about a new kind of artificial teeth that contains a special material that can kill bacteria in contact. This material can be used to fabricate artificial tooth, dental fillings, and can be added to dentures. This artificial tooth, when used, can kill bacteria and other microorganisms in the saliva. So let's get on with this episode. Everybody sometimes have to think twice before going to the dentist. No matter how much effort you put into keeping your teeth clean, bacteria will always be there to produce some cavities in your teeth. Due to the invention of 3D printing and one new concept, the current status quo of dental implants and dental fillings could face significant changes in the coming years. Scientists in the Netherlands have successfully made a 3D printed tooth made from an antimicrobial resin material that can kill harmful bacteria in the mouth. In other words, this is a tooth that effectively cleans itself and kills bacteria responsible for tooth decay. The plastic used in the tooth incorporates antimicrobial quaternary ammonium salts that are positively charged, which means they can eliminate negatively charged bacterial membranes. The 3D tooth material is not harmful to human cells, but can kill specific bacteria on contact. The addition of alternative materials to a basic polymer is one of the current challenges in 3D printing, but the incorporation of active chemical substances such as the antimicrobial salts used here could be a huge boon for the medical industry, which could use sterile or antimicrobial 3D implants in a huge range of potential applications. There is now a prototype available that is suited for further testing in a clinical setting, including not only dental applications but also, for instance, orthopedic ones like spacers and other polymeric parts used in total hip or knee arthroplasties. Moreover, the approach to developing 3D printable antimicrobial polymers can easily be transferred to other non-medical applications, areas such as food packing, water purification, or even toys for children. To test the efficacy of their antimicrobial plastic, the researcher coated samples of them in a mixture of the saliva and Streptococcus mutans bacteria, a significant contributor to tooth decay. The antimicrobial resin material killed 99% of the bacteria. For clinical use, the research is extended and investigated the use of this new antimicrobial material for use in toothpaste. It's a medical and dental product which open new avenues of application in the near future. If you like the video, please give it a like and share. For your comments, you may write it down below. This has been a Kabansag Dental Clinic video presentation. As usual, see all of you again in our next videos.